Hello everyone. I welcome all of you for the new sociology course which is going to commence on 16th of July. How is sociology helpful in your journey and how is it going to strengthen your selection in terms of getting the best rank possible? Is sociology a safe option? There are so many questions which students generally have. The curiosity, what to read, from where to read, how this course would be helpful. There are a lot of segments which we would be covering in the series of videos associated with the course. First and foremost, I'm going to take up the question associated with its success rate. Is sociology really safe? What is the success percentage or the rate? Rather than quoting a regular speculation, which we generally have in the market, I would like to quote none other than Department of Personnel and Training, which is under Home Ministry, which has released the data like a couple of times associated with the optional subjects and which one is the safest, and in general, what is the percentage of students who are getting selected associated with it. Please understand that if you're writing your mains with the optional subject, it does facilitate an interview call. And after the interview call, the percentage of students who are getting selected there, the optional subject plays a very crucial role. I'll be showing you the mark sheet of selected candidates, that is All India second rank, Animesh, in the next video. And I'll be also showing how much it is possible to score with sociology. Okay, so before the next video, first and foremost, the success rate which was associated with sociology and comparatively with respect to other subjects. So this is the data which was released by UPSC in 2019 with respect to the number of candidates who appeared with sociology in their main subject and the other connected popular optionals. So we can see we have over here geography, sociology, commerce and accountancy, economics, agriculture, animal husbandry, anthropology. The entire list is there. If you Google search it, you'll get a comparative analysis with respect to other subjects as well. So rather than giving a very detailed analysis, a general possibility which I can show you is that about 1,263 students appeared in the mains with sociology, 126 students got selected, that was 10%. And rather than creating a comparison with other subjects, I'll be trying to show you the consistency rate of sociology. Because if you see the percentage, this can vary. A lot of subjects are kind of turbulent. Like for example, geography, you can see 5.5, it is there. Some year it will go up to 8, some year it can droop down. Same as sometimes with law, sometimes with botany, all that does happen. Animal husbandry, it seems a very safe option with 18% selection, but mind it, 16 students had only appeared with animal husbandry. So that's also something which is facilitating or aiding the strength of this specific optional subject. When I talk about sociology and its trend analysis, which was again released by none other than Department of Personnel and Training, so we all can see that what is it that it is showcasing in terms of selection. This is the trend of sociology in like past, we can say 1 decade. So 2014, 15, 16, 17, you can see that there are about 1,500 to 1,800 students appearing with sociology. And the general selection rate is about 10% if we talk about it, right? So we all can see it is like 10%, as you can see, 10.6, 11.7. If it is little high over here, it is little low over here, 8.1. But in general, when we talk about the general selection rate, we can see that sociology seems to be a safe bet, whereby 9 to 10% of the students who are appearing with sociology optional, they have a chance of selection. All right. So in the next video, I'll be talking about how much one can score with sociology and what are the key areas, what are the core areas which can facilitate you with respect to a great rank other than sociology. So that's our next video. Thank you.